Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can highlight muscle in a video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see I have created a project, and for example I'm going to highlight muscle in this video. Okay, first of all you need to prepare the red background like this. I have downloaded this red background from the internet, and I'm going to add this red background to my project. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video, and then I'm going to go to the mask and select the circle mask, and we can adjust the position and also the size of the mask like this. I'm going to place it right here, and then we can go to the video and then select basic and go to the blend mode, and you can choose the mode that you like. I'm gonna try the overlay or the multiply. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this multiply, and then we can adjust the feather. Go to the mask, and then you can adjust the feather of the mask by clicking on this button like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, then this is the final result. And if the muscle is moving, I recommend you to use the keyframe to make this highlight below the moving object. You can use this keyframe feature to make the highlight follow the muscle. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight muscle in your video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!